This program evaluation will be on the programs we use at Armstrong Middle School, STAR 360 and Achieve 3000. Both programs are cloud-based online uh, programs aligned with the Louisiana State Standards and Louisiana ELA standards. STAR is designed to build and increase student reading comprehension skills, while Achieve is designed to increase nonfiction literacy and writing skills. STAR allows teachers to understand where programs are in the learning progression, whereas Achieve allows teachers to differentiate instruction for nonfiction reading and writing. And Achieve activities are also tailored to each student's Lexile reading levels. Key personnel, school leadership team, principal, assistant principal, disciplinarian, that's me, myself, counselor. Also the librarian, all ELA teachers, all students in grades 6 to 8, and the parents. Purpose of this evaluation is to determine if STAR 360 and Achieve 3000 help increase students' reading comprehension, nonfiction literacy, and writing skills. And of course, we want to make sure to see if these programs are effective on the LEAP 2025. Why do we need this evaluation? Well, we need this evaluation because our students have consistently scored below mastery on the ELA assessments. Approximately 70% of our students have scored basic or below on these assessments. That's not really a good thing. So these programs have been implemented to try to increase our test scores, and evaluation of the program is necessary because we need to know if the programs are making a difference. Short-term use and long-term use of the program. Short-term, we want to see that the teachers are making changes to their lesson plans to incorporate time for students to read daily and complete activities using Achieve 3000. Long-term, we want to, of course, monitor the progress of the implemented programs and make sure they're implemented with fidelity. Uh, we want to, of course, celebrate student success at the midterm and at the end of the year. And then we want to compare state assessment results from year to year to determine improvement. We have several goals of the program, but the main goal is to, let's say it's number 6, students will show growth on the annual state assessment ELA LEAP 2025. So some of the questions that may come up will be, how will the data collected, how will the data be collected, monthly, quarterly, etc., and how will it be used? Are the responsibilities for data collection shared between the teachers and the librarian? How often do school leaders review the data during the school year? And are the key stakeholders using the information to better meet the needs of the individual students? Benchmarks and indicators. We have several benchmarks and indicators, so I'll just kind of go over one right here. Um, our teachers allowing students ample time to read daily in the class to meet their quarterly AR goals? Benchmarks. Students read for 10 minutes each day in ELA. Weekly, students can go to the library to return and check out new books. Data and data source. Log sheets. Students will keep reading log sheets, and teachers will initial the sheets weekly. Computers in the library can be used to record books that are checked out and returned as well. The evaluation design is going to be a mixed design. We're going to use qualitative and quantitative data. The quantitative data that we're going to use are test scores and on the initial, monthly, quarterly, midterm, and assessments using STAR and Achieve 3000. And then we'll also use the end of the year LEAP assessment results. And the qualitative data that we'll use will be surveys of teachers and students, interviews of teachers, students, and parents. And the principal and assistant principal will do observations on the teachers. Our population here at Armstrong Middle School in Rain, Louisiana, Cadia Parish, is approximately 350 students, 6th through 8th grade. Most of our students are from an impoverished background. The racial ethnic makeup of our school is approximately 52% white, 46% African American, 2% Hispanic. 76% of our teachers are white and 24 are African American. 38% of our teachers are not certified or highly qualified. So this may be affecting performance as well. Our data, some of the sources we'll be using to collect data will be reading logs, program activity logs, assessment data, survey questionnaires, interviews, observation. And how we'll analyze it is qualitative and quantitative data. So qualitative data, we'll look for themes, um, things that keep going, things that everybody's doing. Possible themes: apathy, lack of motivation. Middle school children are hard to motivate, and then also teacher burnout, because these programs are going to require extra work. Quantitative data will be basic descriptive statistics and comparison. Average scores by grade, teacher, and whole school, and comparison of scores from year to year. Our timeline is for from July to July. Now we've seen improvements this year from 18-19, but to really see if these programs are making a difference, we're going to go through the next school year, which is 2019 and 20. The budget, as you can see, is fairly costly, but if the program is helping students, then the cost is worth it. The school pays for the STAR program out of its budget that's allocated from the school system, and the district pays for Achieve 3000 out of Title I. So that's my program evaluation for you guys. Appreciate you listening. Thanks.